Hi guys, how's it going? So your remote stops working suddenly. Typical battery goes at least 3 years, 3 to 5 years that is. The ones that I have in my CRV are already 4 years old and they're still going strong, still works around 5 meters. They tend to deteriorate as the battery loses charge. You'd have to use your remote closer and closer. Alright, so with that established, if your remote gets flat suddenly, most likely it's not your battery anymore. Let's open up the remote and show you the culprit. Alright, so I've owned this car for some time now. By the way, this is still my Nissan Bluebird Selfie. And since I've bought this car, this has actually never worked. I've never really bothered buying a battery for it, but like a month ago or so, I decided to, but ended having a flat battery. So I pretty much got locked out of my own car. Alright, so there's your battery, and there's your board. I'm not too sure whether you can see it or not, but there's a note there that says BAT 361620, so that's the battery type. Alright, so this is actually not the first time I've opened this battery. As I've said earlier, I've replaced the battery. And it did not go over a week. Alright, so what the culprit there is, there's a hole there. I'm not sure. See? There's a hole. What the hole causes is that it accumulates moisture inside. It accumulates moisture inside, and what happens then is that the battery starts going flat very, very quick. All right, so we've got a replacement one. This will be a good time to clean the fob, the surrounding areas, but I've cleaned that as much as I can, and I'm more or less happy with the result now. All right, so it does look the same. I hope it fits. That one. All right, that goes in. All right, so having some difficulty here. I hope it's just because it's new. Alright, so it's not I'm actually a bit worried since it's not like a flush fit. Putting that back on. Hopefully the board should keep everything flat and straight. Alright, so time to replace the battery. I've just got a cheap one. I think I bought this for I can't even remember. It was so cheap. I think just $1 New Zealand. That wasn't the easiest to put on either. Let's have a look at the car. Alright, so checking out the car right now, and yep, close. Alright guys, so that's what you do when your fob just out of nowhere decides not to work. And we've also gone through how you change the rubber pads on your remotes. Alrighty, have a good one.